Ruby Rax back again, and here with Tyler here. And what is this, Tyler, that you're gonna show me?
Well, it's a new song by this band called Volbeat.
Volbeat.
They're like they're a pretty modern band. They've been around maybe, I don't know, 10, 15 years. I don't know exactly, but they're fairly recent. And um, I had to look this up because I wasn't sure if they were German or what. They're actually Danish. But I just happened to stumble across one of their songs years ago on the radio, and thought, that was pretty good. And then eventually, when I got like Spotify or whatever, I started looking up their stuff, and I've kind of half-ass followed them for a little while, like listening to their new stuff. So this is a song that just came out, and pretty good. They're
Do you
kind of like a
do you know Gary
Go ahead.
Clark Jr.?
No,
Someone introduced me to them, and it's amazing. Gosh, amazing guitar. It's almost
Gary Clark Jr.
yeah.
That's the name of the band or
Uh,
a person.
person, I think. I don't know if it's the name of the band, but it's probably the person. Man,
Yeah.
he's killer on guitar, and it's so bluesy, and
Hmm.
it's kind of modern, like within the last like some at least by the 2000s to 2010s, I think.
Okay. And when are you gonna do a video on him
I just did one.
or them?
I did one
Oh, you
already.
did.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, with me, I meant, but it's what it is.
We'd have to
No, I'm
do
kidding.
five today.
Yeah, yeah. So anyway, this is their newest song, and I think it's good. They have a lot of good hooks and stuff, which I mean they're hooks, right? They catch you and whatever. So, I've never seen the music video though.
Oh, okay. So if you're, I'm all set up. If you're ready.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Three, two, one, play. So it's like a horror movie.
Yeah. Watch out for that picture of Rita Hayworth.
Is that from Shawshank Redemption or something?
Shawshank Redemption.
I
Yeah,
only
yeah.
seen that once.
Drummer looks old. Looks a lot older than the rest of them. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention. Hardly ever do I understand what he's saying. It's English, but I just never really understand it.
I think some of the words.
Yeah.
Gnarly. Middle-aged
So we
rockers
just go happen.
who finally made it.
Yeah, well, I think
Six
they're a lot older now than they were when they started.
Yeah, I like that. I like the heavy parts more than I like the parts that weren't as heavy. When the
Mm,
beat started going, that's the part
yeah,
I like the most. He doesn't have a bad voice, but it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite,
hmm
but they are a good group.
yeah. They have a lot of
Uh,
songs out there, and they're
I'm
I don't
not
know.
sure if this is a song I'd listen to again, but they are good. They are good. I'm just not sure if I'd put it on my playlist or not.
It's on mine,
It's on
so
yours.
it's okay that it's not on yours. Yeah,
Yeah,
but
it
it's
says
on mine. Um,
that's
yeah, I
cool.
don't know. I get it, but I like it.
Yeah. I don't really got nothing else to say. So they were good, but not my favorite. But they were jamming. They were jamming. They were really jamming.
Yeah, it's the first time I'd seen that music video, and I knew what the lead singer looked like, and I knew what the lead guitarist looks like. I'd never seen the drummer that I remember before. He definitely looked like a middle-aged dad, kind of with a baseball cap on and stuff like that. I was kind of
Yeah.
surprised, um, but anyway, yeah, no, that's cool. At least you had liked it
Yeah, I
to a
liked it.
degree.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Cool.
if there's anything else you want me to react to, just let me know. And thanks for watching.